This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 92 of building Eleanor. We've done the big bit last time, so this time we're doing the smaller bits. We've got some plastic pieces to add to our car itself. We've got 4 body panels, screws for that, and we have a petrol cap. I'm just going to pop that together now, because that just popped in there, and then I've only got one bit to worry about. So that just holds together like that. That will go in place with a screw in a moment. And where are we putting these? Well, they're quite easy. They're going on the sides of here. We've got one to go on the back. Is it that one? It's not that one. It's the other side. Let's get that one out. There we go. That one is going on there. Like that. And on the top here, we've got the other air intake. That one is going on there like that. So 2 screws to hold that in place, one for that. And on this side, we've got the petrol cap, which goes in that way around. Oh, it does go in that way around, but yeah. Just like that. So that goes on there, and the same on the other side. So that one is going to go in there like that. And let me get the other side screwed in actually while we're here. If I can reach through somewhere and get the screws open. I'm going to be using most of these. Get a couple of those out for now. So that one is going on there, facing forwards, like that. And there are 2 screw holes which you can just about see through there. That this is going into. One there. It's a little bit unwieldy, obviously, because you've got the whole body shell to worry about. I would have preferred fitting things like this onto it before we put the front end on, because then it would have been less to mess around with. But, you know, it doesn't really matter. It's all the same anyway. One more screw from there to hold this bit on the front there. Like that. I can't. It's got into place, and I know it's the right one because it's the same as the one on the other side that you can see. And one screw will hold that in place. Pretty much like that. So if I hold these in place while I turn it over, you see how that side looks. That's how the first side is going to look once I get the screws in. So yeah, that will do us for now. I'll get the other screws in off camera. There's no point in showing you that because it's going to look exactly the same as it looks now, but with them attached. So there we go. That is that. One more issue of bodywork stuff to do. Actually, 2 more in this pack. 2 more issues of bodywork stuff to do. And then we'll see how it looks once it's sort of completed. So thank you for watching this one. I'll see you soon for more. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.